Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Health News. Today we are here at NASCOM COE AI Disrupt event in Bangalore. It's a great day in Bangalore. We are talking to innovators from healthcare technology domain, and we have with us John Dawber, Corporate Vice President and Managing Director of Novo Nordisk GBS. Thank you so much, John, for joining us here on this conversation. Let me start by asking you about what are the digital health technologies that Novo Nordisk is deploying to improve patient care.
Yeah, thank you very much. An absolute privilege to speak to you today also. So Novo Nordisk uses digital technology in the entire value chain. Almost every part of the way the pharmaceutical company operates, you could think, can either be improved, speeded up, or augmented through digital. If I think in drug discovery, we're using AI and machine learning in drug discovery to be able to get our preclinical work more efficient. If you think in drug development, so that's how you run clinical trials and how you then bring all of that data together to learn something from it and hopefully find you've got a new medicine, then that can be done much more efficiently now than ever before through AI and through machine learning. And big data databases. Then when you think about, okay, so now we think you have a medicine, now you're going to engage with regulatory authorities around the world. Again, we're now starting to use generative AI to produce regulatory documents, AI to quality check those documents. And then when we get into the market, we're now using digital tools to make us much more effective, both in the medical field, but also in the commercial field. So all the interactions that our commercial teams have with medical professionals, not only here in India, but all over the world, can then be tracked, analyzed, learned from, improved, and to make us more commercially effective. And then the sort of final part is then what we do with our patients. Again, gaining feedback and insights from patients allows us to start that whole journey again in improving our products to be able to improve lives in the future.
You touched upon data and analytics part of it, so I know you're running a little late, so I'll just wrap up with this one question regarding data and analytics. We are generating large data sets when you're conducting clinical trials, or even in the healthcare setting. Large data set is being generated with the more and more use of digital technologies. How do you think data and analytics is being used in precision healthcare or precision medicine?
Yeah, it's an interesting question for an organization like us that has traditionally worked in diabetes and now moving into other therapy areas. For as long as my career has existed, diabetes has been rather sort of one size fits all. Your blood glucose target is X and it's the same as mine.
Right.
Yeah. But utilizing both clinical data coming from clinical trials and real world evidence, it's arguably possible in the future that both of us may have a different glucose target based on our different biologies and our different genetic or family history makeup. So I think, don't know, but I think that using data, using great analytics to provide insights might actually lead us to precision medicine, even in very prevalent chronic diseases like diabetes.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, John.
You
promised 2 questions, and thank you so much for your time.
Right.
Have a great day.
Thanks very much. Nice to meet you.